cold outside, pouring rain, which means only one thing. It's probably pumpkin spice latte season, which is exactly why I'm wearing my oversized hoodie. I'm wearing my Ugg boots because that's the only way you can really roll when you're going to get your PSL fix for the day. But the good news is that this isn't just any pumpkin spice latte. It's not 400 calories. The drink option I'm gonna show you is under 100 calories, yet still has the same great taste. But you're gonna have it guilt-free. You're gonna be able to enjoy your PSL every single day with a nice big smile on your face because we're doing it the lean way. So get excited because it's time to get lean. Woo! Hello squaddies! Welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. I'm Phil McKenzie, founder of the Lean Squad, former professional rugby player, and today I am very excited because I'm going to show you how to order the tasty pumpkin spice latte either hot or cold. But the only difference is, instead of it containing 380 calories, I'm gonna show you how to do it where it only has 90 calories in it. 90 calories, and the best part about it is it has the same great taste. But first, before we dive into it, I've got a few announcements. Number one is make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. The more we spread the leanness, the better we are going to make people feel and the healthier everyone is gonna get. Lean announcement number two is, well, it is pumpkin spice latte season, which means it is also oversized hoodie season, which is why I'm wearing a hoodie today. As you can see, it is the neon Lean Squad hoodie. If you want to check it out, get yours today. They are online, back in stock, and I'm really excited. I want to see you guys representing the Lean Squad all fall and winter long. It also comes in black, so make sure you check these out. And again, tag me if you get one, let me know, and I'll share that on Instagram. Which brings me to my third and final point. When you order the leanified pumpkin spice latte, tag me on Instagram. I want to share what you guys are doing because, like I always say, every time you guys post about it, it inspires someone else to follow in your footsteps. So make sure you tag me at Lean Squad on Instagram. I will share your leanified Starbucks drink orders. Now, let's dive into the good stuff, which is our first drink order from Starbucks, which is an iced pumpkin spice latte. Now, your grande size typically contains 370 calories, 46 grams of sugar, 46 grams. That is more than a big can of Coca-Cola. That is crazy, and that is certainly not how we want to start our day. We're gonna take that drink down from 370 calories all the way down to 90. So this is a much healthier option, and it still has that great same taste. So, first things first, don't get intimidated by this drink order. The Starbucks baristas are incredible. They can handle it. Say it with confidence because you should be nice and proud that you're making a healthier choice. So, first things first, I want you to ask for a grande iced coffee. Next up, you ask for no classic syrup, 1 pump of pumpkin sauce, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup, extra pumpkin spice topping, and light cream, which is half and half. And that, squaddies, is your leanified iced pumpkin spice latte. And remember, when you order this drink, tag me at Lean Squad because you are making a healthier choice. You are saving a ton of calories, which is not only gonna benefit you in your weight loss and fat loss journey, but it's also going to prevent an afternoon crash, because when you have all that sugar, your blood sugar levels spike, and then you end up having a huge crash in the afternoon, feeling tired and lethargic and moody. That's not what we want. We want to enjoy our coffee while still feeling energized throughout the day. And cutting all that sugar out will help you do exactly that. Now, drink number 2, the infamous hot pumpkin spice latte. As it gets a little cooler, you're gonna throw on that Lean Squad hoodie, and you're gonna want a nice warm pumpkin spice latte to keep that body warm on the inside and keep it burning, right? Although we don't want all those calories. A standard grande size pumpkin spice latte 380 calories. 380 calories. Again, we don't need those. Those are not good for us. Those are what we call empty calories. They have no nutritional benefit and they do not benefit our body. So we're gonna cut that down all the way to 90 with this drink order right here. And again, remember, it sounds a little crazy. Starbucks baristas can handle it. They're incredible people. They will get excited at this order because, like I always say, you're making the healthy option. So, with that in mind, ask for a tall blonde Americano in a grande cup. Then, ask for 1 pump pumpkin sauce, 3 pumps sugar-free vanilla, steamed almond milk, extra pumpkin spice topping, and last but not least, you can ask for whipped cream, like I did in my photo. But be wary, whipped cream does add anywhere from 50 to 150 calories, so it's a lot of empty calories. I did it more so for the photo because it's infamous with the pumpkin spice latte. However, if you're trying to keep it extra lean, I suggest not getting the whip. You're still gonna have the same great taste. This coffee tastes incredible and has far fewer calories than our standard. And we've cut this drink all the way down to only 10 grams of sugar. It is a much healthier option than your standard PSL. And right off the bat, you are making a healthy choice by ordering this drink. So I hope you really enjoy it. You should always enjoy whenever you make these choices in life and celebrate. Be proud on the inside. Let people know. And again, share this drink if you make it. I love both of these options. I have the iced one when it's hot outside, but as it's gonna get colder, I'm gonna shift to the hot PSL to keep me warm on the inside and provide me with that sweet, lean treat without the guilt and without the sugar. Those are the important things to remember. You're making the healthier option. And there you have it, squatties. Those are 2 ways to leanify your PSL. You can enjoy the same great taste without having all those calories, and that is really the important message of this video, and that is the message I want to spread. So please, please, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and also share this video either on Instagram or on YouTube. It'll go a long way to spreading the leanness and making sure people understand that being healthy doesn't have to be boring, doesn't have to be bland, doesn't have to be a huge burden. It is all about understanding how we can make healthier choices every single day in our life and still feel great and enjoy our lives. That's what it's all about, and it's all about balance. So please share, please like, please comment, do all that good stuff, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss another episode. And last but not least, if you want to join the thousands of squatties who have transformed their lives because you feel like you need a little more guidance, you need a better understanding of food, you need to be told what to do in the gym, I am your guy. I will build you a custom 90-day lean plan with workouts, support, meal plan, all that good stuff that will take you through every step of the way to accomplish your health and fitness goals. Doesn't matter whether you haven't worked out in a long time or you're a workout veteran, I can help you, and I'm really excited at the thought of helping more and more people transform their bodies and their lives. So make sure you check that out, www.lean-squad.com. And last but not least, if you have any questions, fire at me on Lean Squad on Instagram, or you can go to the website and hit me up on email. And obviously, like I said, don't forget to get your PSL squatty hoodie for the winter. It's gonna get cold outside, squatties. I will see you back here next episode. Have an amazing day.